products from Carry. You can make hundreds of dollars just by having fun with this new app we never mentioned earlier. There are no boring surveys to complete and no offers to complete. The best part is that this requires no investment, so anyone can install it and start making money. If it seems too good to be true, here's the scoop. This is proof that people in all parts of the world earn money every single day. I will give you bonuses at the end of the video to help you make even more money, so stay tuned until the end and follow every step so that you can really succeed. If you want to learn how to make money online for free, be sure to like this video. If you have an iOS or Android device, and which country you come from, let me know in the comments below so I can find more methods that will help you make money. Let me just say right now that these bonuses will help you to earn more money while having fun for absolutely free. Here is the app I need to show you. What a brilliant idea! You will enjoy using this application. It is not only possible to have fun in this app, but to also make big money. You can win up to $500 daily with this free application. By playing a simple game, you can earn $500 in IV throughout the day with just one app alone. Daily Raffle is the name of this app. I will show you how you can earn even more than $500 a day by just taking part in these apps and just having fun. Now, how does Daily Raffle actually work? Why are they paying you up to $500 every single day just for installing the app and having fun? How does this actually work? Well, this is like a lottery. You can sign up to this lottery for absolutely free, and inside of the app, they will give you absolutely free tickets. So you can enter the lottery, and you have way higher chances to win this lottery than the actual real lottery, for which you would need to pay. For this one you can answer for absolutely free. They will give you absolutely free tickets, and you have a chance to win money every single day. Prizes are not as high as the real lottery. So you won't be able to win $1 million, but steal up to $500 a day. It's a really good amount of money for an absolutely free app that's available in a lot of different countries. Now I'm also going to explain you in detail how this actually worked. But obviously, this is not like any other game. Literally, this is a really unique app. And a really unique game to play. The chances to win are very high, especially because not a lot of people know about this app. Not a lot of people have installed this app. And that's why it's perfect to jump on it as soon as possible. Now the way this works, as you can see, each day could consist of 6 numbers. So you can pick 6 numbers between 1 and 9, just as 6 different numbers had to win. Your numbers should match at least the first 4 numbers of the winning ticket. I mean, that's so simple and so easy. So let's learn even more about the app. App is available for both Android and iPhone. So it's available for both iOS and Android. So both of those sides are going to be satisfied, which is really great. Because in some of the previous videos, we had people complaining, like, hey, this app works only for Android and I have an iOS, or vice versa. Well, this one works for both. And no matter which device you have, you can use this app and still make up to $500 a day. They have daily draws. So you will enter the draw right here. As you can see, they will pick 6 different numbers for the draw. And your ticket consists of 6 numbers from 1 to 9. So you pick 6 different numbers from 1 to 5. They can be maybe 2, 3, then 5, or 6, and maybe 4, 7, and those are 6 numbers. You have them and you're waiting to see if they will pick your numbers. If they pick your numbers, you want a prize of $500. But even if you don't have all the numbers, right, it's okay, because take a look here on the right-hand side. You're going to be able to see that you will still win at least $125 per one to draw. If you have at least 4 numbers, right? So even if you have just these 4 numbers, right, you will win $125 for absolutely free. Then if you have 5 numbers, right, you will win $250. And then of course, if you have all of the 5 numbers, you will win $150, and you're allowed to win it do different draws per day, which is up to $500 a day just for kind of playing the lottery for absolutely free on your phone. So this is a really fun, it's really exciting. Because you don't know what to expect. You don't know what's going to happen. Next you just sit there, you watch it through the phone your way. Those numbers do come in, you watch the draw, you track your numbers. And if you have them right, boom, you can make quite a bit of money with this app. This is already dailyraffleapp.com. This is their official homepage. But you can also search for it on Google Play Store and App Store. Just go if you're using an Android phone, Just go over to Google Play Store, search for Daily Raffle. Find the app that's going to look something like this. This is their logo. You can see it, a risk-free app. You will download it and install it to your smartphone device, and just sign up for absolutely free and start using it. So like your numbers and anthem to draw every single day at pretty much the same time. And to make it even easier for you, they will give you daily hints about the winning numbers. And now I know you might be wondering to yourself, like, why are these guys actually paying you so much money for just answering an absolutely free lottery? Why they're giving you absolutely free tickets? Well, because to get those tickets you would need to watch some ads. You know, they will show you some ads. I mean, you don't have to watch those ads entirely. You can skip the ad, but they will. They're just basically splitting the ad revenue with you. You know, the app is making money from ads, and they are showing you ads, which you can, of course, skip and just grab your ticket, but they're still splitting the other revenue with you, which is kind of genius. If you think about it, now, they are winning money, they are making money, and then you are also making money without spending any. So that was really, really smart from them, and they created a really, really good app. No, of course, you probably won't be able to make $500 every single day just by using this app alone. You know, you might not win the $500 prize every single time. So that's why it was really smart from you that you stayed all the way until the end of this video, because now I will give you one more app, which you can also use to have fun and make even more money. Literally on this second app, people are making thousands of dollars. And here's proof. So this is over at the event rgames.com. This is Renar Games.com. This app is also available for both App Store and Google Play Store, available for both iOS and Android. And you can even cash blank free games. So you can play absolutely free games that are really fun and interesting. As you can see, these are games that people normally play on their phones. But now you can actually make a lot of money. As you can see, play, earn those bonuses, earn those tickets and those coins. And you can then exchange that for real money, win a real cash. And here's proof of people making a lot of money from all over the world. As you can see, these guys are making thousands of dollars just by playing games on their phone. As you can see, even from India, England, USA, Germany, and all these different countries. This works in many, many different countries around the globe. And it works for kids, it works for teenagers, it works for adults, elderly, anyone can jump on it, and anyone can start making money with this because it's super simple. You just install this app, you can play all of these different games. As you can see, these are really exciting and interesting games, which you can play and you're going to get paid every single time. Of course, some games are going to be a little bit less, as some games are gonna pay you a little bit more. So you can just go through all of these different games and see which one pays you the most and then focus only on that specific game to make more money. And this pretty much works the same as the previous one. There will be showing you some ads inside of the app, and they will be splitting the ad revenue with you. And that's why they're paying you just for playing games. That's why they're paying you big amount of money just for playing those games. And I mean, you have probably saw that if you have some games on your phone, when you open up that game on your phone, they will also show you ads, but they will not pay you what. That's the difference when our games is playing fair. So they will split the other revenue with you. So both you and Dan will make money. And that's also a really, really genius thing. And I really, really love this app. I've done a lot of research, I've seen a lot of reviews and a lot of feedback on this app. People are just enjoying the amount of money they're making it. I mean, take a look at this, and like they're making over $3,000 just by playing games for absolutely free on their phone. So you know, you can lay in your bed and just play some games and make some money. Obviously, it's not going to replace your full-time job, it's not going to replace the full-time income. But still, it's a nice side income to have just to add on, and to have some money to maybe buy some gifts, pay some bills, buy some new shoes or whatever. You can use that money and whatever you want. Of course, you know the best what you will spend your money on. But I just wanted to let you know that it's not going to be a life-changing income. But it's still good amount of money, since you don't have to invest any and you don't have to do any actual hard work. You're just playing the game, having fun and making some decent amount of money. So those are the two different apps that they wanted to share with you today. Daily Raffle app and Renar.games.com. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, to leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, Be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next video.